can't really control glutamine intake via diet, because as we know, it's generally your meat, fleshy products that are high in glutamine, but the studies show that vegans and vegetarians who are not. Hi everybody, and welcome to the Kidney Coach YouTube channel. I am naturopath Fiona Chin, co-founder of Kidney Coach and Genesis, which is our range of natural supplements designed to help people diagnosed with chronic kidney disease. And I'm joined again today by one of our regular and one of my favorite guests, Jessianna Saville. Jessianna is a renal dietary nutritionist. She heads up K&I, Kidney Nutritional Institute, and their team of renal dietitians there. Jessianna is a wealth of information. She has a special interest in PKD and all diseases that involve the kidneys. She's busy training doctors and other dietitians on how to correctly treat this disease and to keep up with the latest research coming out. So the other thing that I wanted to point out that you'd said to me before we hit record, and you'd made this comment before I was asking something else about you can't really control glutamine intake via diet, because as we know, it's generally your meat, fleshy products that are high in glutamine. But the studies show that vegans and vegetarians who are not consuming high glutamine containing foods naturally had much higher levels of plasma glutamine, right?
Yeah. So when I was looking at a glutamine as a topic, I was like, okay, well, you know what? I know the answer, right? If you do more plant-based diet, alkaline diet, which we talk about all the time, then you probably just don't have as high glutamine levels. Done, right? That's the connection. And I was wrong. I was totally wrong. When I looked into it, I found that vegans actually have a 13 to 25% higher levels of glutamine than omnivores. And I was like, what? How can that be? Because they're not eating meat, which is very rich in those amino acids in particular. But I think you had pointed out it comes down to that they have healthier guts. So they're producing more glycine, which then allows them to produce more glutamine.
Yeah, and that's what the research showed when we dug in, because I was, I don't understand this. It is the change in the microbiome. You get, it's a B wasabi or something, it's a very specific microorganism in the gut, which increases glycine production, which glycine then moves through into the glutamine production. So it's fascinating. Your body just naturally produces more through the gut microbiome. So fascinating, Jessianna. Thank you so much. If you want to know more about Jessianna and her team, you can head over to kidneynutritionalinstitute.org. I'll put the link below. They have a lot of great free resources on there. And anywhere in the world, you can link up with any one of Jessianna or her team as a renal dietitian. Again, we highly recommend that you do personalized care when it comes to chronic kidney disease for reasons just like we spoke about today, that glutamine may not actually be your friend. If you want to know more about what we do, head to www.kidneycoach.com. You'll find us on all social media platforms, Instagram and Facebook. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. That way you will get notified anytime we put up new content. Jessianna and I will be back to do another amino acid. I can't remember who's on our hit list next, but I'm sure it'll be super interesting.
Okay, sounds good.
Everybody for listening. Thanks, Jessianna. I'll talk to you later.
Okay,
bye.
Bye-bye.